In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your rewards on Binance, specifically focusing on WODL points received and word of the day rewards. This process is really straightforward, and I'll guide you through it so you can quickly see any rewards you've earned. First, you'll want to open your Binance app. If you've been using Binance for a while, you're probably familiar with the layout. For those of you who are new, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Once you have the app open, your next destination is the Rewards Hub. Think of this as your one-stop shop for all your rewards-related needs on Binance. It's usually displayed on the main dashboard, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Once you're in the Rewards Hub, you'll have a couple of options to proceed. You're going to be looking for either the History or the Get Rewards section. You might be wondering which one to choose. Well, if you're curious about past rewards, History is the best place to check. However, if you're looking to see what you're eligible for or can claim, heading to Get Rewards is your best bet. This flexibility is one of the app's strong points, making it easier for you to find exactly what you're after. Now let's say you've chosen one of these tabs, History or Get Rewards. Your task here is to specifically look for entries marked as WODL or Word of the Day. These entries are what you're going to focus on as they relate directly to the rewards we're interested in today. In case you're not familiar, WODL refers to Word of the Day, an interactive feature that Binance offers where you can earn rewards by participating. Once you find those WODL entries, you'll be able to see the rewards themselves. Rewards could include points or maybe even vouchers. This is where you'll see the fruits of your participation and engagement neatly listed for you. It's always satisfying to actually see what you've earned, right? If you've been actively participating, this section can be pretty rewarding to go through. And there you have it. Checking for your Binance rewards, specifically the Word of the Day or WODL points, is made easy with just a few taps on your app. I hope you find this information helpful. If you have more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know. Remember to enjoy the process of exploring the Binance app and all its features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.